Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Salesforce for sales solutions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with Salesforce for sales solutions, start by visiting the Salesforce website. Navigate to the sign up or login section. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, access the Salesforce dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard to understand available features. Next, go to the App Exchange to search for specific sales solutions or integrations. Use the search bar to find applications that meet your sales needs. Evaluate the options by reading reviews and checking compatibility. Once you identify a suitable solution, click on the Get It Now button. Follow the prompts to install the application to your Salesforce account. After installation, return to your dashboard. Locate the newly installed app in the App Launcher. Click on the app to start configuring it according to your sales workflow. Adjust settings to ensure it fits your company's processes and objectives. Integrate the app with existing Salesforce features, such as lead management and reporting tools. Utilize Salesforce's Trailhead resources for tutorials on using the app effectively. Test the integration to confirm everything operates smoothly. Collect feedback from your sales team about the new solution. Make necessary adjustments based on user experience and performance. Regularly update the application to benefit from new features and enhancements. Utilize Salesforce's support resources for ongoing help and troubleshooting. Monitor the impact of the solution on your sales metrics over time. Engage with the Salesforce community for additional tips and best practices. Continuously refine your sales strategy based on insights gained from the integrated solutions. This approach will ensure you maximize the benefits of connecting with Salesforce for your sales solutions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.